ideal is already open. All right.
We're studying
Sorry for being
Python
late,
and
first of
we're
all.
looking at list sorting today. Now,
Yeah,
how do
so
you
I
sort
expect,
lists in?
expect an
How
apology
to
in this
sort?
year. Okay, expect an apology.
How to sort lists in Python? What does
So
this
I
mean?
expect an apology in this year. Expect an apology in this year.
All right. All right.
We
Now,
can give it approximately 29 minutes.
Now, how can we sort these lists? Now, first, what is a list? We know that already. It's basically a collection of items. So let's make a list right here. We'll say 33, 2, 11, 12, and 0. Now,
And
this is my
apology
list.
to this year.
And how many? Now, Aditya, focus on the class right now. How many elements do you think we have in the list right now?
Let me count. Let's see. 8.
Index
4,
1,
4,
2,
4.
3.
We have 4.
No, we have 5. Look, 5 elements, right?
But the index starts from 0. So how
Yeah.
5?
So how many elements are there? Even though the index starts at 0, there are 5 numbers. How many numbers are there in the list?
5.
5. Okay.
I thought you asked the index.
All right. So index does end at 4 because we start at 0. Fine. Now let's see how can we sort this. Now, I'll call this list right here something else, something more specific. The name has to be unique. Let's call it list num. List underscore num. All right. Now, what are we going to do with list underscore num? What is our purpose? Our purpose is to sort this in such a way that when we print it, it should be in ascending order. Okay. So let's say let's method or program to sort numbers in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order?
Ascending order? Ascending order,
yes.
I mean like going order?
Ascending order means starting with smallest and biggest numbers at the end.
So descending orders starting with numbers.
Now descending is the opposite, starting with the biggest and the smallest number at the end. Yep. So now firstly we're doing ascending order. How do we do that? It's very simple. All we need to do is list underscore. Let's first declare our list. We'll declare it. Let's say 33.1278 0. That is our list. Now, what is this called?
Sir, why
this is
did
called
you just type it? You could have just copied it from top.
declaring the list. Declaring list underscore.
Declaring a list. First time I've heard something like that. Seriously.
Declaring means to set something up to, okay, let's say define something, right? Now we can't have anything before we define it. We need to define everything in Python. Okay. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to use sort function. How does that happen? Well, all we have to do is take this at the end and say list num dot sort.
Sir, I have a doubt. I have a question.
Ask me.
What is that thing after list num dot sort? What is that bracket?
Yes, that bracket. This is calling a function. We're calling the sort function, right? We have done functions. This is how you call a function. So what we're doing is we're calling the sort function.
What is that bracket? How do we get that bracket? Huh?
Always, whenever we are calling a function, we have to put 2 brackets at the end, right?
Sir, but what is that bracket after list underscore num dot sort?
That it's an empty bracket because there are no parameters. We don't take any parameters.
Oh my god, I thought it was a new type of bracket because I couldn't understand it.
It's empty bracket.
I couldn't understand it without having numbers inside it.
Yes. Okay, now you understand. Now print items. Or let's just say print.
And your face looks, and your profile picture looks very funny.
Funny, I know, very funny. Now next thing is print.
You look like a nerd. Seriously, like how I look with the glasses, but you don't need glasses.
Print list underscore num Done. That's it. No, not that part. Remove the brackets from there. So we print it. There's a 3-step process. 1, 2, 3. Take a screenshot, and I'm giving you homework.
Only this long?
Yes, this long because you joined very late. Now the homework is going to be questions.
And also, sir, please make sure to check on the sharp around 3:15 because I'll be sending an apology.
Write a progress.
Along
Do the
with it.
homework as apology and do the previous
No,
homeworks as
I'll
apology.
submit the
Write a
homework as
program,
apology and also
sort
send you that
the
essay. No,
numbers
of apology.
in
Essay of
list
apology.
num.
Yes. I'm writing an essay of apology to you.
All right.
Let me, while this thing,